Take a breath. Okay. Go whenever.
It's on the table?
Yep. Keep it on the table.
Germany.
That really hurt.
Alright. Dylan, your turn.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Oh, I heard like a puke bubble come up. That sounded bad. I feel better. Cuckoo.
Dude, honestly, like, I wasn't even gonna let go of the flame. I wasn't even gonna move the flame from the bowl until you coughed. So,
What?
I was
Dude,
gonna
there's
do-
no way I'm letting you light mine.
No, you can light your
Do
own.
you think
dude.
you're special or something, Justin?
Wait, what?
Justin,
No, I'm sleeping.
I'm being serious. Everyone else has it. You don't. There's the rules for a reason.
Give me 2 minutes.